What's up, guys? So today's video is about really locking into your board slides and really tweaking them out. So I've never really seen a video about this, but this is for rails that are really waxed and slide really fast. So I don't have any rails on the bottom of my board today. This trick is way easier with rails, but I'm specifically using this board instead of my other one in the car because I want to make it harder. With a board slide, you can lean back too far and slide out if the rail is really waxed like this one. Somebody came here and just coated this rail with wax. Or if you lean too far forward on a regular board without rails on the bottom, you can pinch and stop. So it's just a balance in between those two positions. So with this rail, this thing is really waxed. It's coated with wax, so it slides really fast. I tend to slide out on it. So what I'm doing is I'm actually almost doing a hurricane grind by twisting my board far enough that my wheels are pinching against the side of the rail. And I'm either using the front or the back, one or the other, to occasionally pinch against it when I start to slip out to hold myself into the grind, lock myself in, make it feel, instead of like a board slide, more like a grind, like a feeble or something, make it really lock into the rail. So I have better balance on this thing. So to do that, you need a really slick rail because most rails you're just gonna stop. But you're going to really just turn your shoulders a little bit more, and as you land on the rail, keep your momentum going until you lock in like this. Now this is more stable. It doesn't rock around as much as this. This tends to slide around and rock around. You kind of need a big, thick rail to do this too. Like the Element rail, flat bars would work. But yeah, you're just kind of twisting a little more, pinching, and then when you're coming off of the rail, you have to just turn your shoulders a little bit more and give it a little more force to come all the way off. With this being about 20 feet long and being a down rail, doing this just helps me feel locked in a little bit better. And when it's waxed this much and it's also leaning downhill, it slides really fast. So I don't have to worry about sticking as much. I have to worry more about slipping out. So I really hope this video was helpful to you guys. I used to do a lot of board slide shoves and indie grabs out and stuff like that. Right when I first watched that Welcome video, when Welcome was first getting big, I loved skating this rail because having a long down rail is fun to experiment with, try to pop into a Smith grind out of a board slide, stuff like that. So yeah, it's a fun trick. It's fun to mess around with board slides because they're so straightforward usually. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.